how to open the Adidas login page and sign in. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with the easiest way to open up the official Adidas login page and sign in into it. So let's get started. We can start by going to the login page. So go over and search for Adidas login page. Hit enter and here we'll be finding their official site. Go ahead and click on it and that will open up the site here. Now what we can do is we can look out for the login option usually in the top right corner. Otherwise in the main screen also we can find login or sign up. Or we can click on this option called profile in the top right corner and that should also give us this section where we can log in or sign up. So to continue, first of all, you can enter up your email address that you used in order to create the account. Otherwise, you can use your Apple ID, Facebook ID, Google ID, or your Yahoo ID. And just go and click on continue. After that, you need to enter up your password. So go ahead and in this next page, we can enter up a password. So go ahead and provide in your passcode here and click on this option called login. Instead of create account, you'll be finding a login option if you're trying to log in. So go ahead and do so. Otherwise, if you're trying to create an account, you can enter up a new password here and click on this option called create password. Once you have done so, your account should be created and you will be logged in directly into Adidas website. You can see you have been logged in the top right corner. When you click on it, it will show you your profile and different other points and many more. You can just go over and click on this option and you should be able to sign in into the Adidas page very directly. You can also sign in using the Adidas application. You can download it from Play Store or App Store and go to the login option and enter up your details. And then you can log in into your account. But that's it everybody. This is how you should be able to do it. It is super quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.